Today in Paris, the trader accused of losing almost $6 billion at Societe Generale 2 years ago goes on trial. Jerome Kerviel is charged with forging documents, hacking into SocGen's computers, and abuse of trust. Bloomberg's Ryan Chilcote is live in Paris following the case. Ryan?
Yeah, good morning, Eric. In just about an hour's time, Jerome Kerviel is going to stride into this courthouse, and he is going to proclaim his innocence. His argument, and I know it pretty well because I spent a bit of time with him a couple of weeks ago, is that basically it took him racking up the biggest trading loss in history to get the bank to come after him. As long as he was making money, and he did make hundreds of millions of dollars for the bank before this trading loss, not only did they, he says, turn a blind eye, he alleges they helped him.
I want to prove to everybody that my superiors knew what I was doing and helped me to do it, to make more money for the bank.
Ryan, so that is Jerome Kerviel's defense strategy. How about for SocGen? Is there any potential financial fallout from today's trial?
Well, there certainly was a huge financial fallout from that trading loss, right? Even if you're France's second biggest bank, losing $6 billion hurt. It almost broke the bank. They had to go back to the markets. They spent about $150 million improving their computer systems to patrol, if you will, rogue traders, make sure that these kind of things don't happen. But analysts will tell you the financial impact of this shouldn't be large because basically it ruined their 2008, it ruined 2009. The bank thinks this is all behind them. This is more about really, is Kerviel telling the truth when he says that the bank knew what he was doing and was sort of quietly encouraging them? Of course, Societe Generale says that's not at all the case, and they say that Kerviel himself admitted to concealing these trades. So, of course, if they knew about it, then why would he conceal them? So I think this is really about reputation at this point, not a whole lot of money on the line. Merrick?
All right, Ryan, much more to come, of course, when the proceedings get underway. That is Ryan Chilcote with the trial that is capturing the attention of the French financial community.